Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to talk about one of my all time favorite movies, The Notebook. If you've seen it, you probably understand why this film holds such a special place in many people's hearts. And if you haven't seen it yet, well, I hope this episode will convince you to give it a try. Let's start with the basics. The Notebook is a romantic drama based on the novel by Nicholas Sparks. It tells the story of Noah and Allie, two young people from very different worlds who fall in love during the summer of 1940. Their story is full of passion, obstacles, separation, and ultimately deep devotion that lasts a lifetime. So, why do I love this movie so much? Well, first of all, it's incredibly emotional. It's not just about romantic love. It's about the kind of love that survives time, distance, and even illness. It's about memory, aging, and the power of storytelling. Every time I watch it, I find something new. Some small moment, a line of dialogue, a look between the characters that touches me in a different way. I also love how beautifully it's filmed. The visuals are stunning, from the lake scene with the swans to the warm summer nights in the small southern town. The music, the colors, the atmosphere, it all creates a nostalgic, almost dreamlike feeling that stays with you long after the movie ends. But beyond the beauty and the emotions, I think what makes the notebook truly powerful is its honesty. It doesn't pretend that love is always easy or perfect. Noah and Allie argue, they hurt each other, they make mistakes, but they never stop loving each other. And I think that's something everyone can relate to on some level. Now, let's talk about why this movie is great for English learners. One of the reasons I recommend The Notebook to my students is because of the language. The characters speak in a clear, emotional, and natural way. You'll hear a lot of everyday vocabulary, but also many expressions that deal with feelings, memories, and relationships. It's a great way to practice listening to emotional tone and understanding conversation in real life situations. For example, when Noah says, "It wasn't over," it still isn't over. That's a very strong emotional sentence. It's simple but powerful. If you can understand the feeling behind that line, not just the words, you're making real progress in your English learning. Another great aspect is that the dialogue is not too fast and it's easy to follow, especially if you use subtitles at first. Watching movies like this helps you not only improve your listening, but also your speaking. You can pause and repeat lines, try to imitate the actors, and practice expressing emotion in English. But maybe the best reason to watch The Notebook is not just for the language, but for the feeling. Learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connection. When you watch a film that moves you, that makes you cry or smile or think about your own life, you're creating a deeper bond with the language. You're living it. And that's when real learning happens. So, if you're looking for a movie that will touch your heart, help you reflect on love and life, and improve your English at the same time, watch The Notebook. Maybe watch it more than once. Let the story sink in, let the language become familiar, and most importantly, enjoy it. Thanks for listening. If you've seen The Notebook, I'd love to hear what it meant to you. And if you have a favorite movie that helped you learn English, share it with me. See you in the next episode.